Satellite internet for India, straight from SpaceX, and for a price that shocked millions. Starlink's webpage briefly showed 8,600 rupees per month and a 30-day free trial for users in India. Then it all disappeared. Was it a leak, a glitch, or the real deal? I dug deep to find out. You'll want to see what I learned before anyone signs up. Welcome back, InfoByte Network. Today we're digging into a story that's making headlines across India, the Starlink price leak. SpaceX's satellite internet division briefly listed subscription pricing for India, 8,600 rupees per month, a 34,000 rupee hardware fee, and a 30-day free trial. Thousands of people screenshotted the page, social media exploded, and then, poof, the page vanished. Starlink says it was a configuration error. So what's real? What's rumor? And what should you believe? Let's unpack it. Here's what many Indian outlets captured. Monthly subscription price, 8,600 rupees. One-time hardware cost, 34,000 rupees. A 30-day free trial for new users. Promises of unlimited data, plug-and-play installation. Multiple big media sites published the info, from Live Mint and Economic Times to Hindustan Times and Business Today. The excitement was real. People began calculating monthly costs, comparing them to local ISPs, and thinking, is this the future of broadband in India? But within hours, something changed. Starlink's reaction, glitch or soft launch. After the screenshots went viral, several outlets reported that Starlink asked them to update. The page was a test configuration and not a formal rollout. Orders aren't open, official pricing hasn't been announced, and subscription details are still under negotiation. That means the 8,600 rupees, 34,000 rupees numbers might never see daylight. Or they might, but with changes. For you and me, this means we can't treat those numbers as confirmed. At best, they're a rough reference point. At worst, internet clickbait. What those numbers mean if true. Let's entertain for a moment that those prices were real. What would that mean for Indian customers? 8,600 rupees per month is fairly high compared to many urban broadband plans. It likely suits rural, remote areas or people needing high-speed broadband without fiber infrastructure. Setup cost of 34,000 rupees covers the Starlink dish, router, and installation. A 30-day free trial is a bold move, giving people a chance to test speed and reliability before commitment. This could revolutionize connectivity in remote or underserved regions. Think hills, villages, islands, or areas with poor wired infrastructure. A plug-and-play satellite internet could be game-changing. But there are red flags and uncertainties. Satellite internet latency, even the best Starlink service can have higher latency than fiber, which may impact gaming, real-time streaming, video calls. Weather and line-of-sight dependency, heavy rain or cloud cover could reduce performance. Final pricing may differ. 8,600 rupees might be for premium or demo plans. Retail launch could be cheaper or more expensive. Regulatory and licensing issues in India, spectrum, licensing, import duties on hardware may add hidden costs. Unofficial free trial policy. What are the limits? Data caps, throttling after trial? Unknown. So, while the idea is exciting, this isn't a buy now moment yet. What you should watch for next. If you're following Starlink India, here's what to keep an eye on. Official Starlink announcement or press release for India. Infrastructure or gateway approvals and setup across Indian states, rural internet push or telecom policy changes. Import or duties update on Starlink hardware, check customs and local regulations. Independent reviews if when beta testing begins. Upload, download speed, latency, reliability. Community feedback, especially from remote or rural testers. If any of these move forward, we could see real Starlink rollout in India soon. Conclusion and my take. So here's my take. Right now, this story is equal parts hope and hype. That 8,600 rupees per month and free trial looked real for a moment, but the removal of the page shows that Starlink isn't ready to commit publicly. If I had to bet, Starlink will eventually launch in India, but the price and conditions will likely be adjusted based on taxes, regulation, hardware cost, and demand. If you're in a remote area with spotty internet, it's worth watching closely. If you live in a city with fiber or 5G, I'd wait for real reviews before switching. Want me to keep tracking this? I'll post updates the moment official announcements drop. Call to action. If you found this breakdown useful, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next update. And tell me in the comments, would you pay 8,600 rupees per month for Starlink in India if it worked perfectly? I want to know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.